wigie Gukuruhanio Gwake na Paul Mackenzie Noria Uri Ceceni-ini ya borithi thutha wa ikuũ cia Arumiriri ake Mutitu-ini wa Shakahola gũkũ Kaunti-ini ya Kilifi. Muhunjia Ezekiel Augete arija hari amwe na Arumiriri a Kanitha a New Life Augete ati akana kuria maikorirwo maikuruhana na mundu ugwitwo Paul Mackenzie nenda-ini cio kinyaniria.
Muhunjia Ezekiel Odero wa Kanitha wa New Life ni kinyirie mbere ya ruhonge rwa guthurima makanitha guku bururi-ini uria rathitwe ikinyie kuria kumetwo thutha ni Pastor Pius Mwiro na wakili ake Danstan Omari na Cliffo Beta.
We are here with Pastor Ezekiel because he has been summoned by the Senate.
There are thematic areas that the Senate wants to find out from Pastor Ezekiel.
Kuria Pastor Pius Mwiro aigire mekinyire mbere ya Senate kuona oni moe gwathikira watho wa bururi.
Our coming here today is a depiction and a confirmation that we are law-abiding citizens.
Na kuriongereire ati matire na marakara kuona wendi wao ni gutariria bururi mugima Uuma wigie Pastor Ezekiel.
In fact, we are not bitter. We are here just to tell the whole world who Pastor Ezekiel is, what kind of doctrine he stands for.
Pastor Ezekiel mwenini wake neteteire akiuga Kenya meterere meiguo horo uri wa ma.
We know about the stories everywhere, but what is important is the cross. The fight for the truth in the Senate, and the truth shall set us free.
Wakili Omari na Obeta ni mareganete na uhoro ate Pastor Ezekiel ni akuruhanire na ikuũ cia Arumiriri a Pastor Mackenzie Mutitu-ini wa Shakahola makiuga kanitha ukoretwo kihakwo ndoro kuona Ezekiel ndari na ihitia o riothe.
That there is no way that this church, Pastor Ezekiel's church, is connected with the Pastor Mackenzie and any other issues that have been happening which are criminal in nature, where the church has been painted in bad light.
I said Pastor is as clean, as white as his clothes.
Hadoine Hamuthingi TV ni etagwo Ng'endo wa Njogu.